Hello fellow Spoons, it's SpongeDog001 here, and I'm recording with my phone here. Not this way particularly, I'm recording my desktop here for this to go on YouTube. What's being recorded on my phone is gonna get to be enjoyed by my friends, because can't get videos to my phone onto my computer for some reason, or else I would have already had webcam up. So anyways, long story short, I put this tape on my hands because I was bored during testing, because school has testing, all that bullcrap, and yeah, I mean, you can hear it, you people, my friends, can see this. I wore it all day, and it's time to get it off. My hands have hair on them and stuff, and it's gonna be very painful. I wanted to record it for you guys, because maybe I'll get some views. So now, let's get this on. I'll start with this piece that... Ow! Okay, first piece is already off. Okay. Ow. 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 Okay. Okay. God, what I do for people. What I do for subscribers. What the... Okay. 2 fingers are free. Okay. Oh God, no, it's on my arm. Okay, I'm good. No, please. And I just flipped my chair over on me. Oh God. Okay. I dread the upper hand part, but anyways. Okay. Ow. That feels good. I've been in this like for maybe 8 or 9 hours, so I mean, it feels good to get some off. To get this off. Sort of feel good. No, it doesn't feel good at first, because pulling of hair. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm doing it 1 finger at a time. The hand is gonna be the worst. To the back of my... Come on! Oh God. Ah, yeah, there we go. Yeah, just do it like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Okay. Gonna have to rip that. Oh, no, I can already feel the pain. No. No. Ah! God. Ow. I hope you guys are enjoying this right now. One hand is almost free. One hand is almost completely free. Oh my God, I can barely even feel. Okay, there's tape there. Oh God. Okay, yes, the thumb. Thumb. Now for the most, probably already done one hand that hurt. Ah! Oh. Okay. Hands are completely free. Red, hairy, but okay. Left. Okay, look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all the tape I wasted for this, and now it's going in the trash. Look at this. Oh my God. Well, obviously people on YouTube aren't going to be able to see this, but people, my phone recorders, whatever, look at all this. Oh my God, they're just burning with pain. Okay, well, this is a halfway vlog, I guess, but other than that, holy hell, that hurts. Like, that actually went better than I expected. I would expect me just laying on the floor, ripping it off, little by piece by little, just tiny piece, and me just drooling blood on the carpet. I really actually did expect that. Just this horrifying monstrosity on the ground, dripping its limbs apart. It's just, I expected this to be a lot more horrible. Oh God, for the phone friends, I hope everyone enjoyed my hell. And I also hope that everyone else on YouTube also enjoyed my hill. The sound of my hill, anyways. Yeah, that'll be it. That will definitely be it.